If your audience are not buying from you, then it's not the selling that is the problem. You might actually be your problem. Now let me explain. Your audience hates it when you try to sell them something and you're not always showing up consistently and giving them value in between. So most people just ignore this 80-20 principle of giving 80% of value and 20% should be of selling or promotion. Now this often happens when people just hear that, oh, they need to create page, or maybe they need to create a channel or create a social media presence for their business, and they start posting about that business and they're posting about the salesy part. They're just telling people, oh, come and patronize me, I sell this, I sell that, instead of trying to educate their audience about what they are even doing. So now, instead of just going for a very long time, or you're just there without posting or educating them, you need to teach them, entertain them, and also connect with them. So doing this is going to build that trust, because they need to trust you in order for them to hand you their money or to patronize you. So if you're not creating content for your business, now I'm not talking about the promotional content, I'm talking about educational content, or content that entertain them, or just engage them, that they know that you actually care about them. So if you're not creating that kind of content for your business, then they're not going to build trust in you and they're not going to buy. So you need to shop consistently and be giving them value. So when next you're offering something to them, they'll gladly take it, because now it doesn't feel like they need to do you a favor by buying from you. Instead, it's just like the possible natural next step for them to take. So they know that, okay, let's say you are running a gym business and you have been giving them free home workouts that they can do to maybe lose some certain pounds or to get what they want physically. So they are actually doing these workouts by themselves and they are getting results. Your sales can be, oh, get this paid plan or join this program in order for you to level up what you're already doing. And they'll most likely do it because now they are seeing results in what they are doing already. This your offer now is like the possible next step for them to take. Now it's not going to be like they're doing you a favor by patronizing you or buying from you. It just feels natural to them and you're not being salesy. Even if you're constantly offering them that promotion or just giving them that your offer for them to take, then it will not feel like you're just pushing them or you're being too salesy, because upfront you have already given them enough value. So the point is this: you need to earn their trust and earn their attention before you can ask them for money. And they're not even going to buy if they don't trust you, and if the offer that you're giving to them doesn't solve their problem. And how they're going to know that this your offer solved their problem is through your free content. So like the workout business that we talked about, you have been giving them this free plan and this free home workout, and they're doing it, they're seeing good results from it. Then it will just be seamless for them to purchase their paid plan and everything will be okay. And you'll be seeing sales to your business, you'll be making sales, getting clients, booking appointments here and there. So earn attention before you can monetize the attention. If you can do that, then you'll be at a better place.